Graphic installation and display setup of the 4-season flex sign with ballast is both quick and easy. Begin by removing all the parts from the box and placing them on a clean, flat surface. Next, open all 4 hinge snap edges on the display's frame and remove the protective film and align it over your printed side of your graphic. Once set, slide your covered graphic into the display's frame with all 4 corners secured under the frame's 4 corners. With all 4 corners secured, snap the 4 hinged snap edges closed. Next, flip the frame over and repeat the previous steps to the second side. Once both graphics are secured in place, you are now ready to attach the base to the display. The Poster Flex snap frame comes with a snap edge tool to assist with the opening and closing of the hinge snap edges. Begin assembly by standing the frame and the water base on their sides. Align the springs with the recessed spring cavities located on the water base. With one metal washer on a wing bolt, feed the bolt through the top of the base hole and then into the frame spring. Spin the wing bolt clockwise to tighten. Align the bottom spring with the screw holes located on the base. Feed the lower bolt with washer through the base hole and into the frame spring. Spin the wing bolt clockwise to fully tighten. With the base firmly attached, lift the display into the upright position. Position the display by using the base's wheels. Once set, your 4-season flex sign with ballast is complete and ready for use. To add ballast material to the base, unscrew the cap located on the top of the base and filled with the desired amount of material. Replace the cap to secure.